Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 4 delicious 3-minute breakfast recipes for weight loss, strong immunity, and for better health, mind and body. The best thing is that all these breakfast recipes are gluten-free. So let's get started. So this is one of the easiest and most delicious breakfast recipe. The first thing that you need is potato flour. Here I'm using Urban Platter gluten-free potato flour. Now the link to this product I'll share in the description box below. So take half cup of potato flour, add chili powder, salt to taste and some water. Remember, the desired consistency of the batter should be such that it should spread a bit by itself on the frying pan, that is a non-stick tawa, and not start collecting at the center. If you feel the consistency is not right, then add little more amount of water. Take a non-stick tawa and heat it. Add some oil to it. Wipe the oil with a kitchen towel. Take a full large round spoon of batter and gently pour at the center of the pan. Now spread with the help of a spoon from the center to outside in a circular motion into a round shape. Put 1 teaspoonful of oil around the spread batter. Let the chilla get cooked until it's brown. With the help of a spatula, gently turn over the chilla and let it cook till the other side is also brown. Serve hot with a ketchup or a chutney of your choice. It tastes great and it's also one of the most easiest recipe. Potatoes are high in vitamin C, vitamin A and dietary fiber that helps in weight loss. Besan chilla is one of the quick breakfast or evening snack one can make. To prepare, add 1 cup of besan, that is a gram flour, into a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then pour the mustard seeds into the mix. Then add 1/4 cup of curd, 5 tablespoons of water and some salt to taste. So mix all the ingredients together. So depending on the quality and texture of your besan, addition of water will be more or less. Heat a tawa or a pan on a low flame. Then spread a bit of oil on the tawa. Let the pan become medium hot. Then take a ladle full of the batter and pour on the pan. So continue to cook till the base gets light golden brown. Flip and now cook the other side of chilla. So you can serve this besan chilla plain or with mint chutney, curd or with tomato sauce. Besan is rich in complex carbohydrates, folate and has a low glycemic index. It helps in losing weight, building your immunity, and it is also good for your health and heart. Now this is one of the healthiest, high energy and satisfying breakfast recipe. So add 1.5 cup of bajra flour, that is your millet flour, into a bowl. Peel 1 fully boiled medium potato. Mash the potato and add to the mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chilli, 1/4 cup of onion. Then add half a teaspoon of ajwain, that is your carom seeds, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Add enough warm water and knead into a medium soft dough. Divide the dough into small portions and roll into balls. Flatten them and spread into small thick rotis. Heat a tawa and place these rotis on the tawa. Then spread a bit of ghee on the top and cook on medium heat. So enjoy your rotis with mint curd chutney. Bajra is an excellent source of protein, folic acid, fiber, iron, magnesium that is great for your overall health. It improves digestion and also helps in weight loss. Well, if you're feeling to eat something sweet and healthy for breakfast, then you can try this one. This recipe makes you feel super wholesome and energized. It's one of the most nutritious and delicious recipe. You need one fully ripe banana. So peel and slice the banana and then mash the bananas with the help of a spoon or using your hand. Add half cup of ragi flour, that is your finger millet. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey, or you can also use jaggery powder for sweetness. Then add half a teaspoon of cardamon powder, half cup of milk, and finally 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything to get a medium thick consistency. Heat a tawa or a pan on a low flame, then spread a bit of ghee on the tawa. Let the pan become medium hot. Take a ladle full of the batter and pour onto the pan. On a low flame, cook till the top begins to look light golden brown. Flip and now cook the other side. Serve warm or cool. Ragi is loaded with calcium, iron and dietary fiber, so it's a great way to boost your immune system and in maintaining a healthy mind and body. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.